Hey guys, welcome back to another session of using technical analysis to find high probability trading setups. Today we're looking at euro dollar, and the reason for that is because of this move here, right? We can see that it has finally broken it, right? And price has been inching lower and lower and lower, right? And it's another movement over here that has been broken, right? So it's nice bit of a bearish momentum. Now, what we kind of need to do is we need to wait for prices to kind of break this level over here. Right, if it breaks this level, we should see prices come all the way down to here. It looks like a couple of things, right? But how this looks like is that you could consider this as the sell entry, right? And if it's broken, this would be the take profit, right? It should drop quite nicely to this level, right? And alternatively, this could be the second sell entry if you want to kind of get in a good level, right? Because I can see that prices are being pushed lower and lower and lower, right? It's quite nice, right? You can see a nice bit of bearish momentum over there. Okay, it's not really a channel, right? But yeah, it's nice bit of bearish momentum pushing prices down, right? So ideally, there are a couple of depending on your risk tolerance level, but yeah, you can either get in here, or you can either get in here to play a move all the way down, or you can wait for the break of this level to trigger the move down. Okay, really simple setup today. Really nice. Trading mainly on the structures, right? I hope this works out well, but you need to still exercise proper risk management when it comes to trading. All right, guys, that's it for me. Stay safe, trade safe, and I'll catch you guys again tomorrow.